Let's discuss about WH questions. WH questions is a term used to refer to questions starting with WH and H. It asks for information, and WH questions are very common in English. WH questions used to refer to questions starting with WH and H. Examples: who, what, where, when, why, whose, how, and how much. These are the list of some WH questions, their meanings, and sample sentences. WH question like who. It means or asking about person. Example, who is your brother? Where, asking about place. Where is the bank? What, asking about things, idea, information, and action. Example, what are you holding? Asking about thing. What are you thinking about? Asking about idea. What kind of pet do you have? Asking about information. And what are you doing? Asking about action. Why? Asking about reason. Example, why do you like pizza? When? Asking about time. When is the party? Whose? Asking about possession. Whose bag is this? Which? Asking about choice. Which do you like? Tea or coffee? How? Asking about manner. Example, how did you convince her to come? How many? Asking about quantity for countable nouns. How many bags does she have? How much? Asking about quantity for uncountable nouns. How much water do you need? Water, that is uncountable noun. How often? Asking about frequency. How often does your sister water her plants? How far? Asking about distance. How far is it from your house to the school? How old? Asking about age. How old is your daughter? How long? Asking about duration. How long should they answer this test? Exercise. Supply the correct WH question for the following sentences. Example, blank is flying the kite. Asking about person, so the answer is who. Who is flying the kite? Next is blank are you going? Asking about place, so the answer is where. Where are you going? Blank do you visit your grandparents? Asking about frequency. How often do you visit your grandparents? Next is black shirt do you like? Asking about choice. The answer is which. Which shirt do you like? Black sugar should I put in your coffee? Asking about amount. How much sugar should I put in your coffee? Next, blank are you so late? Asking about reason, so the answer is why. Why are you so late? Blank do you take a shower? Asking about duration. The answer is how long do you take a shower? Next is blank jacket is this? Asking about possession. The answer is whose. Whose jacket is this?